Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make chocolate from cocoa powder. First, let's gather our ingredients. You will need about 1 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, half a cup of a solid fat like cocoa butter or coconut oil, and about half a cup of powdered sugar. For milk chocolate, add 3 tablespoons of milk powder. A teaspoon of vanilla extract will also enhance the flavor. Having everything ready makes the process much smoother. Now let's get cooking. Place your solid fat like cocoa butter or coconut oil into a heat-proof bowl over a pot of simmering water, creating a double boiler. This gentle heat prevents burning. Once melted, slowly add your 1 cup of cocoa powder, whisking continuously. Keep stirring until the mixture is completely smooth and free of any lumps, ensuring a beautiful, even chocolate base. Remember, low and slow is the key here. With your smooth cocoa and fat mixture, it's time to add the sweetness. Take the bowl off the heat. Gradually incorporate about half a cup of powdered sugar, stirring constantly until it fully dissolves into the warm chocolate. If you are making milk chocolate, now is the moment to whisk in 3 tablespoons of milk powder. Finally, stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for that classic chocolate aroma. Keep mixing until everything is perfectly combined. Almost there. Carefully pour your warm chocolate mixture into your chosen molds or spread it evenly onto a parchment-lined baking tray. Gently tap the molds on your counter a few times to remove any air bubbles, ensuring a smooth finish. Let the chocolate sit at room temperature for at least 1 hour to begin setting. For a quicker and firmer set, transfer it to the refrigerator for 30 to 60 minutes. Once solid, your homemade chocolate is ready to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.